So you have the TOZO NC9 earbuds, and you have an issue where only one of the buds is working and the other one is not working. I'm going to show you how to reset these without using the app. So first thing is, I was paired to this phone here. It's a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. I was paired to it. So first thing is, I want to go to my Bluetooth and just delete it off my pairing list. Let me go to connected devices, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth. Oops. Let me go back. Connections, I'm going to go to, and then Bluetooth, and you can see I was paired. Let me go ahead and click on that settings button there, and I'm going to go ahead and unpair it. If you're on an iPhone, it would say forget this device. Okay, so now that's totally gone. All right, now we're going to make sure, place the buds in the case, close the case, and you want to 12 seconds. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now leave the lid closed, and you got this button back here. Now press and hold this button for 8 seconds. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. 1, 2, 3. Do it to 10 seconds just in case. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and let go. And as soon as you open these up, give it one moment. Both should start blinking white, indicating it is in pairing mode. All right, so it's back in the pairing mode. Now go ahead and connect back to the device that you want to connect to. So I'll connect back to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 here. So I'm going to go to my settings, and I'm going to go to connections. I'm going to go to Bluetooth here, and it's still in pairing mode. It's blinking white on both of them. Slow white blinking light. And there's TOZO. And then I'll connect back, and I'll get a pairing request here, and then voila. Put them in your ear and see if both of them work.